Alright, so 2001 Kodiak seized engine update. I changed the tires, cleaned out the carb, changed the oil today. I put this stuff on the seat so it helps protect. I hit it with some Restore, made it a little bit more shinier. And let's listen to that seized engine. Gonna have to clean up that button. The last part that I need to replace is the choke lever. The cable was rusted inside the carburetor. I used penetrated heating oil on it and tapped it with a small screwdriver, and finally it came loose. But I have a new throttle lever coming. But I think it turned out pretty good. Cool thing is when they brought it, they had to push it off the trailer. Now they get to ride it back onto the trailer. So much for a seized engine on this thing. I think the shop was just wanting to make some money off of them. Not really diving into it. Oh, replace the engine for a couple grand, or it'd be cheaper to buy a new quad type of thing. That's what I'm thinking. But it turned out nice, and it is pretty much ready to go after I get the lever put back on. Like I said, I'll have that tomorrow, and I'll put that on, and it's ready to go back home. I have a good one, guys.